For operating this backhoe, so every time the pump not in middle, must be off position, must be here. Then you start operating. Yeah. That's now front mode, pushing forward. It is at forward. That's for driver and steering. Yeah. Now for hydraulic, then you start the pump. Steering. Yeah, I have to adjust the angle. Less of oil, not enough oil. Raising the arm, tilting, and open the bucket. And when you finish operating, you change into rear digging mode. Have to put this down. Bucket close, put on the ground, put it down. Stop the pump completely. Must be this position. Then shifting to rear side. Now SWB at the rear side. Now we can operate this one, yeah. And on hook, this one, the hook for the arm, it is released. Must be. Release it, yeah. Then start the pump for operating. Put on the leg, standing legs, swing it around. A little bit, not enough oil. Now you can start operating. Yeah. So after finish this one, put it back position. Withdraw all the arm bucket back. Put back the standing leg. And then this side, for increase the pump, to lift up the arm, put all in position. Then also swing it back, yeah. Have to lock it. Lock it. Then you change, must be off position. Every time before you changing the working mode, pump must be off position. Changing back to front mode. After this completely change, then you can start the pump to operate again. Okay, that's